Today's topic is evolution of pharmaceutical industry. In modern era of pharmaceutical industry is considered to have begun in 19th century. Then the Merck in Germany was possibly the earliest company to move in this direction. Then about India, the Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceutical Limited was in 1901 by Acharya P.C. Ray, renowned scientist. It was the first Indian company for production of drug drug and pharmaceutical chemicals and home product with the indigenous technology and Indian to become a self-sufficient. Then Mahadeva Lal Shroff was the father of Indian pharmaceutical education. Then we are talking about the first pharmacopoeia. First pharmacopoeia, the Materia Medica, a list of 600 drugs and how to acquire and prepare the ingredients, is attributed to Dioscorid in AD 15. Then we are talking about the classification of industry. It is starting from the formulations, type of drugs, branded drugs, then generics, orphans, and active pharmaceutical ingredients, contract research, and manufacturing services, and biopharma. These are the classes of the industry. Then in last 25 years, industry consolidation was turned 51 companies into 10. There mainly is Pfizer, Abbott, and so many companies. Then we are talking about the 1940s and 1950s. Penicillin was a major discovery for the emergent industry. Then in 1960, the industry explained rapidly or expand rapidly, benefiting from significant new discoveries with the permanent patent protection. Then in 1970s, there was tight regulations control on a clinical trials and greatly increase development cost and also lead to appearance of generic medicines. Then in 1980s, there was a emergence of small biotechnology startups. Then in 1993, overall pharmaceutical sales falls by 11%, and putting pressure on the industry to deliver genuine products, and generic manufacturing increases their sales between 10 to 63%. It's really more. Then we are talking about the 200 to uh, today's date. Number of new drug approvals has declined steadily, and as a result, many drug firms are focusing on ways to improve the efficiency and productivity of their research and development programs. Then we are talking about the acts which are acts and regulations in India. The mainly the Industrial Act, which is in 1951. Then the Drug and Cosmetic Acts in 1940, and the Pharmacy Act 1948, the Drug and Magic Remedies Act 1954, then the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985, the Medical and Toilet Preparation Act 1956, then Government of India under the Essential Commodities Act 1955. These are the important acts in India, in Indian legislation about the pharmacy. These acts are mainly related to the pharmacy.